Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more anywhere you see our video to share, and if you have not subscribed before, kindly subscribe for direct update. Anybody can come to this channel and learn and pass any exam because we have enough of video, very comprehensive video for you to play with. At this moment we have over 300 videos, all mathematics simplified, physics also there, and chemistry. For information, you want to gather information from us, even our online class, you can comment below or you call us, you reach us with this line. Now with this line you can do three things with this. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. We have our online classes holding by using the Telegram as a group. We have our own group. This video I will be walking you through on partial variation. I'll be walking you through on partial variation. We have been on variation, let's try to see what partial variation is all about. Now, when you hear what partial variation, I've told you variation earlier. The variation is just like relationship between two or more variables, which is we have been on direct, we have done inverse, we have done joint variation. But this time around, on this video, I'll be working on partial variation. Now, when we talk about partial variation, just put it at the back of your mind that you'll be seeing a word called partly. But partly as very common word. This is a very common word. I've told you the one of joint, I've told you the one of inverse, and I've told you the one of direct. But this time around, when you hear what partial variation, you'll be looking at the word, you'll be seeing a word partly as, and note, it is always like this: V equals to A plus B U. A plus B U. Now, where A and B are constant. This is very, very important. Where A and B are constant, this and this are constant. Now, this is how it always looks like anywhere you see partial variation. It can come in form of word problem, no problem, but just make sure you read and understand and digest to this level. Now, I don't have much to say, but let me try to explain using illustration, maybe example, to illustrate what I'm trying to say for better understanding, just in case. Now, look at this particular problem. Suppose, I would like to use my black marker. Now, suppose C is partly. Can you say a word that partly constant? Partly constant. Let me cut this dot into two. And it partly varies as BP. If the value of C is 18 when P is 2 and C is 23 when P is 4.5. When P is 4.5. Oh, sorry for what happened. Now, which is by so doing that, don't forget I've explained everything that you need to understand at this point. Now, what you just need to do is that, okay, now solution. Okay, that is that. Firstly, find, let me use my black marker. Find the formula connecting and C and P. 2, find C when P equals to 7.5. Now, solution to this problem. Let's try to solve this very good problem. Solution. Now, suppose C is partly constant. Partly constant. It means that is what I explained earlier, that this is the word that you'll be playing around with. It means given, it means to be given C equals to A plus KP, where A and K are constant. A and K are constants. Since you know that, the first statement, varies as if value of C is 18 when P is what? Is 2. It means I'll be having 18 equals to A plus 2K, equation 1. And also 27 when this is 23, equals to A plus what? That'll be 4.5K, equation 2. Now, by so doing this, I can solve this simultaneous equation, which is using elimination method. I'm using elimination method. I want to minus them from each other. This one will give me minus 5, 24, and it will give me minus 5 equals to, let me use red marker for better illustration. It will give me minus 5 equals to, this one will be 2, and it will be 2.5K. Now, which my K will be equals to, this is going to be minus also. It will be equals to minus 5 all over minus 2.5, which implies 5 all over 2.5. Now that is my K. Now, which is 2 all over 2.5, it means a K equals to 2. K equals to 2. Since my K equals to 2, I can now put K into equation, which equation that will be convenient for me? Equation 1, no problem, which I'll be having 18 equals to A plus 2 bracket of 2, which is 18. That will be equals to 18. 18 equals to, since I have that, I can answer that what? 18 minus 4. My A equals to 14. Now, A equals to, it means K equals to 2 and equals to 2. Since I have that, I can now go back to the real original relationship, which is, here will be the relationship now. It means the relationship will be equals to C equals to, what is my, my A is 14 plus 2Q. This is the relationship. Sorry, just know that is relationship. Now, since I know my relationship, I can now move on. We have to find, we are finding C when P equals to 7.5. It means my C will be equals to 14 plus 2 bracket of 7.5, which by so doing that, it will be 20, which will be what? 20, my C equals to 29. My C equals to 29. That is all. That is all what I need. Now, before I end this part, let me try to give one more example. Okay. Now, look at this question. Suppose y varies as the sum of two quantities, one of which varies directly as x and the other inversely with x. When x equals to 6, y equals to 6, and when x equals to 4, y equals to 18. Find the relationship between x and y. Now, solution to this problem. This is a word problem that you need to understand very, very well. Now, y varies as the sum of two quantities. Two quantities. Please take note of this. One of which varies directly as s, and the other inversely with x. Variously as x and inversely as x. Now, it means solution to this problem, y equals to ax plus b all over x. That is the implication. It means we are talking about what? Where a and b are constant, which I told you earlier are constant. Now, since it's constant, it means I'll be having now the first one we are talking about y. Now it means I'll be having this. Now, when s is this, and okay, now this is normally supposed to be y equals to, let's y be 9. Sorry, to avoid, let's be 9. It means I'll be having 9 equals to 6a plus b all over 6, which I will call it, I can have it in form of this 54. Yes, like 6. I'll be having 56 4 equals to 36a plus b, equation 1. Yes. Now, also the next one, which is for this now. The next one is when s is 18, we have 18 equals to a, which is going to be 14a plus b all over 14. Now, 14a all over 14, which is I'll be having 252. Yes, 252 equals to 196a plus b, equation 2. Now, since I have this, I can now solve for what? A and b using elimination method, which I will be using elimination method. With the help of my elimination method, which I can say that 54 equals to 36a plus b, and 252 equals to 96a plus b. I will be minusing them from each other, which I will be having I'll be having 99. I'll be having 99. Okay. This one will be 0. 99A equals to A. No, sorry. I'll be having 99 minus equals to minus 80A. A equals to 99 divided by 80. That is my A. And my B will now be equals to any of the equation that is convenient. Any of the equation that is convenient, which I can say that my A is already given, which I can say that B all over 6 plus A bracket of 99 equals to A. Yes, equals to A. Equals to 9. Yes, equals to 9. Now, if I should have this, it will go by having, okay, by so doing this, I can decide to cut this. Here will be 3, where will be 40. Now, which I have it, now I can answer that B all over 6 equals to 9 minus 33 multiplied by 99 divided by 40. Now, which I'll be having, by so doing that, I can say that, okay, by so doing that, I can now say that B equals to, I'll be having, multiply them together, and it will be 63 divided by, which is 63 divided by 20 multiplied by 6 after you cut off. Now, after cutting, yes, since I have that, I can now say that multiply by 3. I've cut that 3, sorry. I've cut out the 3. Now, you can use your calculator direct. Don't mind me, because calculator is not here. That is why it's a bit amount hard for me to handle, which is not very hard. Now, I'm just trying to use my brain. It will be equals to 189 divided by 20. It means relationship will be y equals to 99 divided by 80x plus 189 divided by 20x. That is the relationship. And I will be stopping this section here. That is the relationship between x and y. Don't forget, you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video and also subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Once again, thanks for watching.